going to remove the grill. Start by taking these screws out on top. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a little hole on the front side of the grill. You're going to need a long screwdriver. Use a Phillips head. Slide down in there and loosen up those screws. Right here there's a cover. You just need to use a straight blade screwdriver and just pop this cover off, and then you can access another screw down there. And use the same Phillips head screwdriver. Now when you don't necessarily have to take it all the way out, it is slotted. And same with the ones on the side. They are slotted, so you can just loosen those up. So we'll leave those there. These push pins, you want to take those push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. Underneath, we're going to take these screws off, use a 10mm socket. Take those off. Then on the side, there's a Phillips head screw. Take these off on both sides. On the side here, there is a screw. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. That screw out. And now we're going to take the screw out of the other side. Now grab the bumper, slide it forward. You want to feel and just make sure there's no wires connected to anything. This is just a reflector, so there's no wire there. Or if there's any fog lights, you want to disconnect those. Do the same on the other side. And slide the cover right off. Now install the bumper. Just line it up on the sides. Make sure that goes in place. If you had any wires, you want to connect those. If you had any fog lights, but that's good. Now just make sure that inner fender well goes behind the bumper. Pop that in place. That's good. Take the screw and just put that in there. Snug that down. Do the same on the other side. And get these bolts started underneath. Tighten those down. And the screws on the side. Snug those down. Now put the push pins in and lock them down. Now slide the grill in place. Make sure those screws are up a little bit so that they can slide where those slots are. That's good. Before we tighten all those down, let's just put all those screws in. Now we'll tighten these down and tighten these down as well. Just snug, not too tight. And just snug them down. Put this cover in place and just lock it in.